go live, and here you wait depending on your internet connection. Yes, this is preparing your live streaming. Wow, see, this is now we are live streaming. See, this is the waiting right chat revenue. Yes, and hello everyone, welcome back to Bado Official. I'm Ubarde. Today I'm going to teach you and show you how to live streaming on YouTube by using a Streamlabs desktop, step by step. Whether you want to stream games, tutorials, online classes, podcast, or your screen, this guide will help you to get started. If you enjoy this video, AI, technology, and digital quiz tutorials, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's get started. Yes, so before we start, here you need a Streamlabs software installed, and you need a YouTube studio and YouTube channel that enabled with YouTube live streaming. So step one, we are going to start by downloading a Streamlabs software. Let's start. You open your Google Chrome and type Streamlabs, and then after Streamlabs, you search, then you see here, then the download. Click on download. After click on download, come here on this side, click on download. So after to click on download, you save it here, or for example on desktop, and after download the end, you install it. Yes, you install it. Okay, now our software or Streamlabs have been downloaded, and we are going to do what? We are going to install it. So right click on your setup, and then click on Learn as Administrator. So here, this is a step you must follow, and then you come here, you click on Agree. Yes, Agree, and then this is where to install it. Then you click on Install. Wait until the end. Yes, now the Streamlabs have been installed successful. Yes, then click on Finish and then Launch. So now the installation now done. We are going to do what? We are going to prepare for live streaming on YouTube. Yes, remember we must have what? YouTube enabled, but also on YouTube I will show you for the enabling. Yes, and here it is launching with multi-stream. You can stream on TikTok, YouTube. So here they asked you, welcome to Streamlabs, how do you plan to use the Streamlabs desktops, live streaming or record on? So here my advice, you choose live streaming and then click on continue. After click on continue, leave it here, and then come down on the right side. corner and then click on skip, and then after click on skip, you choose your camera, and this is your camera. This is yes, should choose your camera, then continue or skip. Yes, the best way is to skip, and then click on skip. This is our interface. So here we are going to state a screen, or the screen that will be displayed when we are live. This is this side, this is a black side. Yes, this is black screen. We are going to add with what we are going to live stream. So you see here on this source, then click on add. Then this is a capture sources. This is, you should go live by using link from web content. You should share your desktop screen. Yes, your screen recording, and then live stream. You should do live stream only specific windows, like Google Chrome only, on what and what. Game capture your game, OpenVR, screen capture, and many things. So about video, or this is a video and audio cut. Yes, and video capture, audio input. Let me add my camera. Yes, this is my camera, then add it. Yes, add it and make it like this. I can fit on it. Yeah, and try to fit it here. So now we have put there our screen. Also, we should put the from web. If it is a web, here you put the web content you want to stream, and then let me top it here, and then we're going to add the microphone. So the microphone is here. Microphone. This is the microphone. You should put on the source microphone. Yes, and here on this side, this is a desktop sound. Yes, your computer sounds, and this is your microphone sound. As you see, I'm saying and the frequent act. And then now we are going to go live streaming. Before we go live, we are going to set up our live streaming on YouTube. Yes, you must come here on Google. Yes, Google, and then type YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, and then go here on YouTube Studio. After go here on Studio, you come here and come on the create and go live. After go live, you come here on manage. Yes, manage, and you come on this for example schedule. come on schedule, and then you click on create a new. After click on create a new, here you type, for example, teaching live streaming. Yes, and this live stream is purpose for teach or tutorials and test. Yes, and here, how do you want to go live? You choose streaming software, not webcam, not mobile, and then category. Choose your category. If there's education, entertainment, or what and what, choose, and then here upload thumbnail, and for example, thumbnail as a, and let me add the thumbnail. This is a thumbnail. Select the playlist, and continue the all things, and then come on the monetization if you are in monetization, and continue customization. You can here allow live chat, enable it, participant. Only subscribers can send the message in live chat, or set what do you want, and continue here. Then for example, you should set it now public. Yes, but I'm going to make it unlisted because I'm teaching you. Yes, wow. So here now we have these settings, and here you see here, connect your encoder to start preview. So you click here, and after click here, this tell you, please download and set up your streaming software. We have done this is the Streamlabs, and paste the stream key into your software. This is a key that is going to be used for live stream, to provide access from Streamlabs to our YouTube, and then we copied it, and yes, this is a copy. Click on copy, and then come on here on this G icon of settings, and click on it. Then come on stream, yes, stream, and then you click on here, the service teaser. It is a YouTube RTM APS, and yes, and then here it is a stream key. Yes, this is a stream key, and then cross. After cross it, now we're going to go live. Yes, you see here on the go live, this is here button, go live, and here we wait depending on your internet connection. Yes, this is preparing your live streaming. Wow, see, this is now we are live streaming. See, this is the waiting rights chat revenue. Yes, and should go live now. Go live now. Yes, go live, and then finish. Click on go live. This is going live, and then after you click on the end. Yes, you should click on the end. This is click on the end. Then after click on end, and here you see the number of views, number of average view duration, watch time, concurrent, peak concurrent are the person, are the viewers that are not skipped, total likes, new subscribers, total chats, and the super chat total. Then should go in the studio and edit it. So thank you. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, turn on notification to stay connected with us, and then share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you.